Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So we are back with a 3D printing segments that we've been talking about and trying to help you guys out there with some of the helpful tips and other questions that you guys have had out there. Make sure you do like and subscribe and throw in anything that you're looking for in the comments, and we'll try to create as many videos as we can. So we're back with a heater head tips video. So you can replace these, or they don't really go bad too frequently. The only reason why you want to replace these is we had talked in other videos about jamming up the filament. Sometimes these get all plugged up and gummed up, and just over time, over use, you can these do start to have some issues. But this is fairly inexpensive kit. You can order these kits. You can either get one that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. But one thing, depending upon what kind of 3D printer you have, when you do replace these, you have to be very careful, because sometimes it can throw off your heater settings, and we'll talk about that in other videos. But today we're just talking about the heater head replacement and why you have to replace that. So the one reason is, as we said, if you have to replace them, it's because it's clogging. The second one is sometimes these wires themselves over time and use will slowly burn out, or they just won't work anymore. And or sometimes the connection points just get all burred up, or they just get mainly use. So it's a good maintenance tip to replace these periodically. And I can't tell you, as far as how often you need to do it, because it all depends, how much you use your printer. So you just kind of got to make a good, wise judgment. So if you're using your printer day in and day out, these may need to be replaced more frequent. If you don't use your printer, but maybe, 10 times a year, then you might not need to replace these as much. So this video here is just to mainly cover the heater head tips and why you need to replace it. And in other videos, we're going to be doing a lot of other things, talking about the heater heads, the wiring, and other topics in regards to your 3D printer. So we hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next one.